Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to span your displays across one another in a dual monitor or triple monitor or multi-monitor setup. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to just right click anywhere on your desktop, make sure it's on an empty space, go into display settings. So your display settings might look different if you have multi-monitor setup. So mine, I have only a single monitor. So yeah, so once you have multiple displays right here, okay, it will show all the monitors, and under multiple displays you will have an option to select duplicate or extend. Okay, you're going to set that to extend, and it will ask you to, it will extend the display, and you have one or two monitors right here, and it'll allow you by dragging it to side, and it'll let you to select which is your primary monitor. So you're just going to drag one over the other to select which is your primary, which is your secondary, and which is a tertiary monitor. So that's all for this video guys. A very simple process, and yeah, hope it helped you. So thanks for watching folks.